Hello good people, thank you so much for coming again to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to add this WhatsApp chat button on your WordPress website without using a plugin. So without wasting any time, let's get quickly into it. So on the home page of your website or any page that you want the button to appear, you scroll up to the last point. I assume you're using Elementor here because I am using Elementor as my theme builder. So once you scroll down here, you can just add a section. I've added a section, and here I'm going to drag to add one of the widgets here called social icons. I'll just drag them to this section. And you can see we have 3 buttons: Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. We don't need all that. So I'll just delete everything and maybe add WhatsApp. So I'll just come to the icon library, and here I'm going to search WhatsApp, and I select this icon for WhatsApp and I click insert. So now you can see the name here has even changed to WhatsApp. So we remove this one for Twitter so that you can just have WhatsApp remaining. So once that is done, you can change it to any color. You can put custom colors, but I prefer to use the WhatsApp official colors. So once that is done, we'll just come to the advanced tab here. Then scroll down to the positions and select fixed. So we want to make the position of this button to be fixed at the bottom right corner of the website. So we are going to select fixed, and then on the offset here we're going to change the position of this button to be on the far right end. So I will just come here on the offset and change it to percentage, because I like working with percentages. So I will just put here, let's just play with we see 48 works better, at least it's on the edge. We'll see how it appears. So let's work with the vertical orientation, change it to percentage. It has disappeared. Let's see, it's moving. You can see on the right here, when I change the percentage here, you can see the button moving. So I want it to be on the far, let's work with 65. I want it to be on the bottom right corner. And then let's publish and see how that appears. Publish. So now it is not at the correct position. I want it to be down here, really down here on the bottom right corner. So let's work with the vertical offset. So let's try 90. Oops, 90. Click on publish. Yeah, perfect. I like it to be at the bottom right corner. So perfect. This is how I want my button on the website to appear, my chat button for WhatsApp. So I'll just come back just to ensure that when a user is scrolling up or down, the button doesn't like hide behind other items, like say the images, the text and everything. Just come here on the Z index and apply 99. This is just to ensure that when there's other items that are on top level, they will not interfere with this button when the user is scrolling. So let's click publish. So now we have a WhatsApp button set up, but I don't think it's working because if you click on it, nothing happens. So we want to make it responsive. So how to do that? We need to add a number so that when someone clicks on the button, it takes them to chat with you on WhatsApp, either on your business number or your personal number, depending on what you prefer. So for me, I'll use my personal number just for experiment. So we come back to the social icon settings. You go to the content and you click here on WhatsApp, and where it's written URL, you put this link / then you add your number starting with the country code. So my number is 254715. Exactly. So once you added your number, you just come here and click publish. So right now when you click on this button, it should be responsive. So let's try. So let's click on the WhatsApp button. It will open a new window where it's asking you to continue to chat. You click continue to chat. And then if you're on your phone, it will open the WhatsApp chats where you can send a message as a user. Or if you're on your laptop and you have your WhatsApp on your laptop, it will open the WhatsApp chats on the laptop and you can be able to chat as well. So it's that easy to make it is that easy to add a WhatsApp button on WordPress website without using a plugin. So if you found this video useful, leave a like, subscribe, ask questions, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for joining. Bye.